Hey, good afternoon. I am going to show you what I got in the mail today, just now. I've already opened it, but it's the 67 Designs phone holder for the Vector dock that goes across the top of the dash of the Jeep JK. So, what we have in the box here, cool little sticker. I want you to share your stuff on Instagram, Facebook. Okay. Here is one of the bars that the phone piece is going to attach to. What I love about the 67 Design rather, is that these rotate, so you can actually put your stuff any direction you want. It's not limited like some of the other brands, so that's really cool. This box here is the phone holder. This is the G2 phone holder. So you can use this with any phone. So that's that. There we go. Phone goes right in there and it locks it in, and it's really quite stiff, so it holds it in good. Now, one thing that you may not realize that I didn't know is that this ball is not the same as a RAM mount. It's smaller, so it won't work. These are not interchangeable with RAM mount products. They're very specific. Okay, this is a GoPro holder. Okay, and then these should be the attachments for the bar, which they are. So I bought several of these. These will actually attach to the Vector bar, and then these attach to that, and then you put your device on the end. Inside the box, it has these little sticky pads that will go inside of the piece here when it touches the metal, so it gives it a little bit of protection, and an Allen wrench to crank it down with. And then it's another one of those as well. Okay, all right, so specifically I ordered the 1-inch clamps for the Vector bar because I wasn't quite sure, because they come in I think 3 different sizes. So this is the 1-inch, and it'll lock on there quite well. And other than that, I think we're good to go. So let's go put these in the Jeep. And the way this works with the little sticky pads, just peel it off, stick it right in the center. That, as long as it's in the middle somewhere, you won't see it. And that just protects it from metal rubbing on metal. And that's it. So, and then that clamps around your bar. And then on this one, I'm going to stick it right here. Top right down. I've already put the sticky pad on the inside. Slide the screw right in. And that just lined right up. Tighten it down good. Okay. Now, arm here, loosen it, snap it on. I think I'll want that twisty thing to be on this side. Now I'll loosen this one. Alright, now just put the phone, and I'm good. What I like about this is that you can turn this really any direction you want. It's so versatile. And you can just get it just right, and then just tighten it down. And I mean, it's solid. I mean, that thing's not going to go anywhere. So, good product.